Good day grade 8 students. We are in MELX 4. Number 5. Performs operations on rational algebraic expressions. Number 6. Solves problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. Steps in multiplication. First factor both numerator and denominator. Next divide out the common factors. Last multiply the remaining factors and simplify. For example, 4a to the 4th power over 3. Multiply 2. 6 over 5a square. Subtract the exponents. a to the 4th power minus a square. The answer is a square. Next 6 and 3. They are divisible by 3. 1 for 3 and 2 for 6. So it become 4a square over 1. Multiplied to 2 over 5. So the final answer is 8a square over 5. Example number 2. 32 over b to the 4th power. Multiply 2. 3b square over 8 is equal to 4 over b square. Multiplied to 3 over 1. 4 times 3 is 12. And b square times 1 is b square. Example number 3. 2 over x plus 3. Multiplied to 3 over x minus 3. Since there is no common factors, multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 times 3 is 6. X plus 3 times x minus 3 is x squared minus 9. Example number 4. 4 over x plus 2. Multiply 2. 2x squared plus 4x over 2. 2x squared plus 4x over 2. Have a factor of 2x. So it become 2x quantity, x plus 2. 4 and 2 are divisible in 2. So it become 2 and 1. X plus 2, divided by x plus 2, is equal to 1. So it become 2 over 1. Multiply 2. 2x over 1. So the answer is 4x over 1. Or 4x. Division of rational algebraic expressions. Steps in dividing of rational algebraic expressions. First reciprocal. Interchange the numerator and denominator of the divisor, the second given. Then change division sign to multiplication sign. Second factor out. Factor both numerator and denominator of the given rational algebraic expression. Third eliminate. Divide out the common factors. Last simplify. Multiply the remaining factors and simplify. Example number 1. 4a to the 4th power over 3 divided by 5a square over 6. First reciprocal of the divisor, 6 over 5a square. Then subtract the exponent. It become a square. Next 3 and 6 are divisible by 2. So the result is 4a square over 1 times 2 over 5. To simplify, multiply the numerators and denominators. The final answer is 8a square over 5. Next example. 3 over x plus 7 divided by 8x square minus 8x all over x minus 1. First reciprocal of the divisor. Next find the common factors and simplify it by dividing it. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. The final answer is 3 over 8x, the quantity of x plus 7. Next example. X plus 2 over 5 divided by 5x plus 10 all over x plus 4. First interchange the numerator and denominator of the divisor. Next find the common factor. Then simplify it by dividing. So it become 1 over 5. Multiply 2. X plus 4 over 5. At last, the final answer is x plus 4 over 25. Last example. Square of x minus 4 over 5x minus 10 divided by 5x squared minus 30x plus 40 all over square of x minus 16. First, reciprocal of the divisor. Next, get the common factors. Then, simplifying by dividing it. Multiply the numerators and denominators. The answer is square of x minus 4 over x plus 4. Addition and subtraction with like denominators. Like terms are terms that contain the same variables, with corresponding variables having the same power. Example, 3x squared plus 4x plus x squared minus 2. The like terms in this expression are 3x squared and x squared. Rules for adding rational algebraic expressions with like denominators. Copy the denominator. Add the numerator or combine like terms. Simplify. If possible. 4m over 5 plus 2m minus 1 over 5. Add 4m and 2m. Copy the remaining negative 1. And copy the same denominator. The answer is 6m minus 1 over 5. Next example. 4p minus 3 over 2p plus 7 plus 3p plus 8 over 2p plus 7. Combine like terms. 4p plus 3p. Negative 3 plus 8. And copy the same denominator. The answer is 7p plus 5 over 2p plus 7. Rules for subtracting rational algebraic expressions with like denominators. Copy the denominator. Change the sign of the subtrahend and then add or combine like terms. Simplify, if possible. For example, 2 over 3x minus 4 over 3x, 2 plus negative 4 over 3x. So the answer is negative 2 over 3x. Next example. 3 over x minus 5 minus x minus 1 over x minus 5. Multiply the negative to the subtrahend. So it become 3 minus x plus 1 over x minus 5. The answer is negative x plus 4 over x minus 5. Addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expression with dissimilar denominators. When adding or subtracting fractions, it is necessary to find a common denominator. We use the least common multiple as the smallest denominator. To reduce fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor. Least common multiple or LCM. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is common between the lists of multiples. Least common denominator or LCD. Finding the LCM is finding the LCD of the given rational algebraic expressions. For example, find the LCM of 12 and 18. For 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. For 18 is 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. The first number you see in both lists is 36. The least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Next example. Find the LCM of 9 and 10. For 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. For 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. If you don't see a common multiple, make each list go further. The LCM of 9 and 10 is 90. Determine the LCM. 7a and 6a. It is 42a. Next, 4a cubed and 6a square. Determine the LCM. 12y square and 6x square. The answer is 12x square. y square. Next, 16a b cubed, 5a square b square, 20a c. The answer is 80a square b cubed c. Y plus 3 and y plus 1 is quantity of y plus 3, the quantity of y plus 1. Next given x square minus 4 and 3x plus 6. Get the factors of each. Then, the answer is 3 to the quantity of x plus 2 and x minus 2. Next example. 15 over 7a plus 8 over 6a. Find the LCD. Divide the LCD to the denominator. Multiply it to the numerator. And simplify. So the answer is 73 over 21a. Next example. 3 over x plus 2 plus 8 over x minus 2. The LCD is x plus 2, x minus 2. Divide the LCD to the denominators. Multiply the quotient to the numerators. Then simplify. The answer is 11x plus 10 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Next example. 4a over 3b minus 3b over 2a. The LCD is 6a, b. Divide and multiply. The answer is 8a square minus 9b square over 6a, b. Last example. 7 over 2x minus 3 minus 3. The LCD is 2x minus 3. Divide the LCD to the denominators. Multiply the quotient to the numerators. Simplify. The answer is negative 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 8 over 2x minus 3. Problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Example. 12 divided by the sum of a number and 2 equals the quotient of 4 and the number reduced by 2. Find the number. Step 1. Let x be the unknown number. Step 2. 12 divided by the sum of a number and 2 equals. Step 3. Quotient of 4 and the number reduced by 2. For the solution, cross multiply. 12 times x minus 2 equals 4 times x plus 2. Combine like terms. By addition or subtraction property of equality. 12x minus 4x equals 8 plus 24. Divide 8 both sides. So, x is equal to 4. Example number 2. What number must be subtracted from both numerator and denominator of the fraction 11 over 23 to give a fraction whose value is 2 over 5? Step 1. Let x be the unknown number. Step 2. Fraction subtracted from both numerator and denominator is fraction. For the solution, 11 minus x over 23 minus x equals 2 over 5. 5 times 11 minus x equals 2 times 23 minus x. Apply the multiplication. 55 minus 5x equals 46 minus 2x. Negative 5x plus 2x equals 46 minus 55. Negative 3x equals negative 9. Divide negative 3 both sides. X equals 3. And that will be all for today. I hope you've learned from this topic. Operations on rational algebraic expressions. Good day. And God bless.